everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am doing a budget for January paycheck number 2. This is for January the 20th through February the 2nd. Wow, it just dawned on me like the end of this paycheck is in February. Wow, this month is really flying by. I can't believe January is almost over. I am in a dotted fox, y'all. It's not 5 o'clock yet. It's like 4:36 in the morning, and clearly I need more coffee. I am in a Clever Fox dotted journal. I have been using Clever Fox products for a long time, and I'm pretty sure I have this one linked down below if you guys are interested in picking it up. I like doing my budgets in a dot journal notebook. It works well. It's like plain paper, but with a little bit of a fancy cover. All right, so before I get into my budget, I'm going to share all of my balances with you. So my checking account as of the 19th of January had $8.40. And that's after all of the bills came out during the last paycheck and what I wasn't able to pull out from the ATM because the ATM gives 20s and that's it. So I had $8.40 left. My emergency fund is still sitting at $10,000 in an Ally account. And then my Roth IRA has $8,382.56. So it's official. I could retire for 2 months now. Oh, man. House savings is $350. And then as of tomorrow, which is January the 21st, I will have $1,000 in my account for taxes. And that is coming out of my YouTube income to cover taxes for YouTube and Etsy because I didn't prepare very well this year, or last year, I should say. So this is what we're looking at right now. I am doing pretty well on my savings. I have only been saving for a house for 4 weeks, and so 350 is a great start. So moving on to my paycheck budget, my income is $1,500. It's the same every single paycheck. My Roth IRA contribution is $250. I had to think about that for a minute. I have fixed expenses, and the first fixed expense that I have is half of the rent, and that is $310. After the electric bill catching me off guard last month, I'm going to set aside half of the electric bill, and I'm going to budget $300 this month. And so I am, well, for the month of February. So half the electric bill would be $150. Then we have the water bill. That's typically around $20. Then I have Hulu, which is a streaming service, and Hulu is $21.71. So $21.71. And last is renter's insurance, and that is $49.17. That got off a little bit, but that's okay. So let's add up my fixed expenses. So $310 plus $150 plus $20 plus $21.71 plus $40. Whoops, I hit something there. Let me try that again. $310 plus $150 plus $20 plus $21.71 plus $49.17 is $550.88 in fixed expenses. I'm going to jump down to sinking funds because I know already, after I was trying to do the math prior that I don't have enough to fully fund all of my cash expenses. And so I'm going to start with sinking funds because I want to fully fund those first. So gifts, car insurance, car maintenance, and fur babies are the 4 sinking funds that I have. And I contribute $20 a week. So that's going to be $40 each this paycheck. There are 4 funds. And that's a total of $160. So let me put the totals here. So 40, 40, 40, and 40. Okay, so moving on to cash expenses, I'm going to set aside $10 a week for gas. That's going to be $20. My daughter Carol Ann is going to get $160. Spending, which is the cleaning ladies, that's going to get $100. And then the lawn is going to get $75. So let's go ahead and add this up because I don't think I'm going to have enough for house savings this time, aside from what I had left over from when my friends were in town. So let's add all this up so that I can kind of see how much I've got to work with. So 1,500 minus 250 minus 550, 88 minus 160, and then I'm going to subtract 20 for gas, 160 for my daughter, 100 for spending, 75 for the lawn is 184.12. Let me try that one more time. I just want to make sure that's right. It seems like I had less than that when I did this earlier. 1,500 minus 250 minus 550.88 minus 160 minus, it'd be 180, 280, 100 minus 75. Okay, so that's 184.12. So I think trying to think of what I need from the store this next week. It's not much. So I think it's just me. Carol Ann's still away on her clinical rotation. So I think I'm going to give myself $40 a week for the store. So that's going to be, that'll be a total of 80 here. So that means, excuse me. So that means house savings is going to be 104.12. Okay, let's try this again. So there's 100, 260, 360 plus 75 is 435. Yeah, the one area that I really have a lot of wiggle room is my Walmart or grocery household category. So let's see if I have done the math correctly. So 250 plus 550, 88 plus 435. Hello, Simba. Hello, Simba. Don't. Oh my gosh. Don't. You little booger. Get down. 435. Holy moly. Plus 160 plus 104.12 is exactly $1,500. So that works out. Now, I did a check-in video earlier. You would have already seen it by now. But I had $80 left over from vacation and cash that is also going to go towards house savings. So it's still not bad. I'll end up saving $184.12 for the next couple weeks, plus what I have for YouTube income. I think that's everything, guys. I am a little tired. It's not 5 o'clock in the morning yet on the 20th. Today was actually payday, and I needed to know how I'm allocated my money so that I can go to the bank after work today. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.